All right, the rinse and repeat of a forecast rolls on for a couple more days. Yeah, more rain, more storm chances showing up for your Tuesday, for your Wednesday. But once we get past midweek, late week through this weekend, getting into early next week, bit of a pattern shift here. Some cooler, some drier news starting to show up as far as our forecast is concerned. And yeah, much needed after what has been a pretty unsettled pattern. Home view right now. Here in Lexington, Paris, Somerset, Richmond, one thing in common here, and it's the cloud cover winning out across central, southern, and east Kentucky. Now, most of us been on the drier side, and it's been needed right after the last few days. We've had some heavy rainfall with some totals adding up across the area, but we're going to get in on some more of that Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperature-wise, 70s across the board, lower 70s across east Kentucky, middle and upper 70s here in central and southern Kentucky. Live radar as we scan the skies, most of us on the drier side. Just a few isolated showers showing up in spots. That's about it. And that's going to be the case for the next couple hours, and then we should start to trend drier for the first half of tonight before it amps back up tomorrow morning. Evening planner. Clouds sticking around, mainly dry. Temperatures will start to cool off into those 60s, but that's about it as far as overnight lows are concerned. Another wave of low pressure spinning in from the south and west. A lot of moisture surging in from the Gulf, and the Gulf is open for business, so we're going to put that moisture together with some storm fuel as we heat things up getting into your Tuesday. And with that low pressure spinning by, that's going to provide that spark in our atmosphere for shower and storm development. And with all the moisture we have in place, some heavier rainfall at times will be likely. So some localized flooding issues could show up in spots due to the recent rains that we've had and that ground being well saturated over the last 3 to 4 days. Low pressure system will continue to spin eastward, but then we track in a cold front that starts to make its move in from the north, pushing south and eastward, interacting with a environment that's going to be fairly unstable. Storm fuel, plenty of moisture, and that's going to provide a spark once again for numerous showers and storms working through your Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. And a few of these could be on the stronger side, packing some gusty winds, heavy rainfall, and lightning. The good news is by Wednesday night, a lot of the activity clears the area and we start to trend drier as we look ahead to late week. As far as rainfall potential is concerned, most of us in the running for a ½ inch, upwards to 1.5 inches of rain when it's all said and done. Now, there could be some spots that pick up locally higher amounts, especially if you get caught under one of those storms where you're talking very heavy rainfall rates, and that could give you a little more as far as that rainfall potential is concerned. Then we look ahead. We're talking about, well, some drier weather late week. Highs a little warmer, but we're going to cool things off. Friday getting into the weekend, temperatures turning more seasonable. Middle 70s for highs, overnight lows in the low 50s. Folks, early next week, we could have some morning lows dip into the upper 40s. All right, keep it right here. We're going to have sports coming up after the break.